Are you looking for the best drone to capture stunning aerial photos and videos in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, content creator, traveler, or drone enthusiast, today's list features some of the best drones available right now. We've compared camera quality, flight time, transmission range, stabilization, smart features, and overall value to help you find the perfect drone for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. Leading our list is the Potensic Atom 4K GPS drone. Weighing under 249 grams, this lightweight drone offers a 3-axis gimbal, 4K video recording, visual tracking, up to 96 minutes of combined flight time, and an impressive 6-kilometer transmission range in the Fly More combo package. The Potensic Atom stands out as one of the best alternatives to premium drones at a much more affordable price. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides smooth, professional-looking footage, while the lightweight design makes it easy to travel with and often easier to fly under local regulations. Pros: lightweight, under 249-gram design, smooth 3-axis gimbal stabilization, up to 96 minutes total flight time, 4K video recording, visual tracking and quick shots features, beginner-friendly controls. The Atom is an outstanding all-around drone for beginners and hobbyists seeking portability, image quality, and excellent value. Number 2. Ruco F11 Pro 2 Plus. The Ruco F11 Pro 2 Plus is designed for users who want long-range performance and high-resolution photography. It features a 48-megapixel camera capable of capturing 8K photos, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, and up to 74 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. This drone offers excellent image quality and impressive flight stability. The 20,000-foot transmission range provides plenty of flexibility for capturing landscapes and outdoor adventures, while the beginner-friendly flight controls make it accessible to new pilots. Pros: 48-megapixel camera with 8K photo capability, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, long 20,000-foot transmission range, up to 74 minutes flight time, stable GPS-assisted flight. A fantastic choice for users who prioritize photography, long-range flying, and flight stability. Number 3. Bwine F7GIM 6K Camera Drone. The F7GIM features a 6K photo camera, 4K by 30 FPS video recording, a 3-axis brushless gimbal, GPS smart flight modes, and up to 70 minutes of total flight time. The F7GIM delivers impressive aerial photography and smooth video capture thanks to its advanced stabilization system. GPS functions such as Follow Me and automatic return to home enhance both safety and convenience. Pros: high-resolution 6K photography, 3-axis brushless gimbal, stable 4K video recording, GPS intelligent flight features, long battery life. The F7GIM offers an excellent balance of image quality, flight performance, and affordability. Number 4. Foldable 1080p Drone with LCD Controller. This foldable drone comes equipped with a built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen controller, brushless motors, 1080p HD camera, waypoint flight, altitude hold, gesture selfies, one-key takeoff and landing, and 3D flip capabilities. Perfect for beginners and younger users, this drone provides a fun flying experience without requiring additional smartphone connectivity. The built-in display makes setup simple and convenient. Pros: built-in LCD display controller, easy-to-use beginner features, foldable portable design, brushless motor system, affordable price point. An excellent starter drone for casual users who want a simple and enjoyable flying experience. Number 5. GPS Drone with 4K camera and 5-inch LCD screen. Rounding out our list is this GPS-enabled 4K drone featuring a built-in 5-inch LCD screen controller, GPS Follow Me mode, circle fly, automatic return to home, brushless motors, and up to 60 minutes of flight time. This drone offers many premium features at a beginner-friendly price. The integrated screen eliminates the need for a smartphone, while GPS-assisted functions help new pilots fly with greater confidence. Pros: 4K camera recording, built-in 5-inch display controller, GPS follow me and circle fly modes, automatic return to home, beginner-friendly operation, foldable design. A great option for beginners looking for GPS features and 4K recording without spending a premium price. Those were our picks for the top 5 best drones of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall combination of portability, image quality, and value, the Potensic Atom 4K GPS drone is our top recommendation. For aerial photography enthusiasts, the Ruco F11 Pro 2 Plus offers impressive image resolution and long-range performance, while the Bwine F7 GIM delivers excellent video stabilization and smart flight features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.